Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain the concept of recursive function in C programming language with a simple example. So here in this example I am trying to find the sum of n natural numbers by using a recursive function. So before I am going to explain this program, so I want to tell what is a recursive function. So recursive function is a function, it can call itself again and again. So we'll see how the function of sum is called itself to compute the n natural numbers, sum of n natural numbers in this program. We'll go through that. So here the first line will say my header file hash include stdio.h, and this is my function declaration. So I'm taken one function name sum, and it takes one argument is of type integer, and it is also try to return an integer value to my main function. So in that main function, I am taking two variables of type integer. One is for reading the number, and another is for taking the value from my sum function. So here I am using printf and scanf statements to read the number from the keyboard. So and after that I am trying to call my sum function here. So res equals to sum of numbers. So this is a function calling. So sum is my function. Here I am passing my number which is entered by the user. And after that I am trying to print the sum value. So this is of integer. So I am using percentile %d here. Simply I am taking it from res. So this return 0 is my last statement in my main function because my main function is of type integer. So now this is my sum function definition. So here I'll check whether n value is 0 or not. So if it is not 0, then I am trying to find the sum of n natural numbers between 1 to the given number n. So now I'll take return n. So it will take the value of n. That is, suppose if the user is given n value as 5. So now it will take 5 plus. So sum of n minus 1. So sum of n is nothing but, now we are trying to find sum of 5. So here what we are doing, so we are taken for finding sum of 5 natural numbers, we have to follow 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, like that you can take. So for that you are using sum of n minus 1 here. So again it will call this function, in place of n it will take n minus 1 value. It will check whether that value is 0 or not. If it is not 0, then it will add to the previous value. So for computing the sum of n natural numbers, now the sum function will call itself again and again for n times. So now in else case, it will return the n value. So now I will see how this program is executed. So now your C compiler starts execution from your main function. So it will read your number, and after that when function is calling, now it search for the function definition. So in that function definition, so the value of n is passed from your main function. So now that value is compared. If it is not 0, then what it is trying to do? So it will try to add that number with the below number of that value. So I'll just compile and execute this program. So it will ask me enter a positive integer. So I'll give value as 15. So now the sum is 120. So it will add the numbers between 1 to 15 and it will give me the result as 120. Thank you.